Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I have another microphone review which I'm super excited to show you. I love to review microphones in this channel. So last time we did a review of the Kimafun system microphone, which was very good. I was very excited, very happy to try this microphone, and actually I was impressed about how easy it is to use it. And I didn't have any complaints except a couple of things that I mentioned in the video. I'll leave it in the description down below if you want to check it. So Kimafun reached me, but this time we have a different microphone. It's again wireless system microphone, but it's a little bit different. So again, stay till the end. We'll do a couple of tests, indoor, outdoor. We'll check the range. And as always, in the end, I'm going to give you my opinion about the microphone. With that being said, let's start with the video now. Okay, so this time the microphone is a little bit different, which this is a very good plus. I do like that. I like when companies changing, updating their microphones with a new look, and I think it's good. It's much better for the user. So this time we have battery indicators on the top, on the receiver, on the transmitter as well. So this is gonna be perfect to keep an eye on your battery status, because if you record for more than an hour, 2 hours, you need to check your battery status, because you don't wanna record, the battery goes, you think you have a battery, and then it's not perfect. So now we have a battery indicators on the top, which again, this is very good. Also, we have a channel management, so you can choose different channels between 1 to 6. So this is very good in my opinion. So my advice is to check different channels. For me, channel 1 works pretty good. So for yourself, maybe you can check which channel is a better ideal for you. So my advice is check the channel, see which channel is good for you. But personally for me, channel 1 is good. So we have a Type-C now, which again, this is very good. So micro USB is quite an old port, cables. I know everybody has a micro USB at home, but Type-C it's much better, much updated in my opinion. So again, this is very good plus. Charging time, again, up to 2 hours. Like I mentioned, fast charging is good, but it's not end of the world. So I mean, 2 hours is not bad, but it's good if you charge it faster. This is not a complaint, just again, it's good in the future if you have a fast charging. I do like the design of the transmitter and the receiver, compact, and this way now it's good in my opinion. Very good updated version. So now enough with the talking, let's start now with the video. Let's do a couple of tests. We'll check indoor first, how is the sound quality of the lavalier microphone, and also we'll check the handheld microphone as well, because we have two microphones. We have a handheld microphone and we have the lavalier microphone. And after that, we'll go outside and we'll do the test as well for the range and the rest. Super happy. Let's start now with the test. Let's see how is the sound quality. Alright, so now you're listening the handheld microphone. So this is perfect, I think, if you do, let's say, interviews. This is pretty good in my opinion. I do like the way that the microphone looks pretty good. Also, you can keep it as a proper microphone. Again, this is a very good plus. Also, we have, like I mentioned, battery indicators. You can check the battery in real time. It's a very good plus. So we'll see how is the sound quality. This is very important. But yeah, so far so good. I use basically the microphone for YouTube, but you can use it for interviews, for podcasts as well. Why not? If you're on a budget, if you want something wireless, I don't know. It's good so far. But yeah, this is the sound from the handheld microphone, which in my opinion looks very good. I like it. So the next clip will be with the lavalier microphone, which I will attach right now, and we'll see how is the sound quality from the lavalier microphone. So yeah, let's do that. So next clip, lavalier microphone test. Okay, so this is the lavalier microphone that you're hearing right now. I'm going to tap on the microphone. So just to have idea that this is the microphone you're listening right now. So I hope the sound is okay. Last time when I checked the previous version, I didn't have any complaints about the sound, except there was a little bit of hiss, but you can fix that in post. So we'll see how is the sound quality. But yeah, this is indoor test. Uh, Lavalier microphone. I hope is good. I think it's good. So we'll see in the end all the footage and everything what I'm thinking about this microphone. But yeah, so this is the lavalier microphone. Before that, we checked the handheld microphone. So far is good in my opinion. So now the next clip that we'll see is gonna be outdoor. We'll check how is the microphone performs outdoor if you're outside environment with a little bit of noise, and also we'll check the range as well, the long distance range. So yeah, so the next clip will be outside. Let's go. Okay, so we are outside. As you can see, the weather is pleasant, it's lovely. So we'll check first the handheld microphone, how is the sound quality, and then we'll check the lavalier microphone. So the first test we'll do is going to be the range test again. So I'm going to go and see how far we can go, and we'll see if there's any connection drops. So let's go now. I'm going to keep talking, and I will see if there's gonna be any connections with the microphone. So far is good. The handheld microphone actually is nice. I do like it. There's no any noise today, so it's gonna be interesting to see if there's gonna be any drops of the microphone. So I'm still talking. So we'll see now if there's gonna be any drops of the connection. So yeah, as you can hear, lovely weather, nice people, and I hope this is gonna be okay. So this is quite far actually. This is like a 25-30 meters. So yeah, this is quite far. So I think this is plenty enough. So let's go back now and let's see if there's gonna be any problems with the connection. And again, this is the handheld microphone. Pretty easy to use. This is the updated version of the microphone, which actually I'm quite excited to try. Again, in the end, when I go home in the studio, I'll check the footage and I'll see if there's any noise. We'll see the background noise. We'll check if there's any hiss. But yeah, other than that, I think this was pretty interesting test. So the next test that we'll see is gonna be the lavalier microphone. Okay, so this is the second test that you're hearing right now. So the lavalier microphone is attached. So we'll do the same. So we'll see if there's any drops of the connection. So let's go back now. So I'm gonna keep talking. So as I'm talking, we can have idea if there's any drops of the connection. But so far, I think it's good. I don't know. I think it's easy to use both microphones in my opinion. Still talking. If there's any drops, but yeah, as Kimafun says, 25-30 meters is plenty enough in my opinion. I mean, 30 meters is quite a lot. So yeah, that's quite far, as you can see probably. This is 5 meters is plenty in my opinion. So again, when I go back to the studio, I'll check the footage and we'll see if there's gonna be any difference of the sound of the handheld microphone and the lavalier microphone. I think should be the same, but we'll check that when we check the footage in the studio. But yeah, I think it's good, easy to use microphone, Kimafun. They're not very expensive microphones, budget microphones. But yeah, so this was the lavalier microphone test. So let's go back to the studio and let's see the footage, and then I'm gonna come with the conclusion about the microphone. Okay, so we are in the studio. So let's talk about now about the microphone that was very good test in my opinion. So we checked indoor, outdoor, how is the sound quality. Also we checked the range test. As Kimafun says, the maximum range that you can go wireless is about 50 to 100 feet, and this is plenty enough in my opinion. 15 to 30 meters is quite a lot in my opinion. Also, we have a Type C, which is missing from the previous generation. Also, we have a battery management. This is a very good plus for me because you can keep an eye on your battery status in real time. And overall, I'm happy about the microphone. The microphone performed pretty well. Actually, let's talk about the sound. The sound actually was surprised as well. It's much better from the last time. We have a handheld microphone. The handheld microphone actually sounds very, very good in my opinion. The lavalier microphone sounds very well as well, except a little bit of white noise, but you can fix that in post. Also, I like the size of the transmitter and the receiver. They're a little bit smaller than the previous generation, but overall, I'm happy about the microphone. Let me know what do you think in the comments down below. The microphone, I think in my opinion, it's good due to the option that we have a Type C, battery management, channel management. So overall, this is kind of professional microphone in my opinion. Can you use this professionally? I believe you can. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. So Kimafun sent me this microphone for review. This is not sponsored video. But yeah, overall, I'm happy about the microphone. Let me know what do you think. As always, if it's your first time here, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.